Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2004 Ford, well, it's not a Ford Tarus, this is a Mercury
Sable.
Sable, same as a Ford Tarus. And we're going to change the alternator, and Big Joe here from Big Joe's in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania is going to explain what has to be done. What has to be done, Joe?
You have to take the axle out, and you will have to drop the subframe. And here is the alternator. We just put it up there.
All right, so
That's how you got it out. Yeah.
You have to get it out from the bottom.
Bottom, yeah. You got to drop the subframe, and you got to take the axle.
Did you drop the
Axle shaft.
subframe already?
Yeah, you see the jack that's holding the
Yes.
subframe.
Okay, you get the bolts
See
out
the bolt?
the back,
Yeah.
missing.
Yeah.
And how
That's
about
the
the front?
easiest way. The front one too. We got to loose.
Okay,
Yeah.
front. So you just took the
Whole
one side down.
Yeah, one side down. So
You have it being held up by this stand.
Yeah. You can show them the stand.
And you had to take the axle out.
Yes. There's no room.
So how did you get the axle out? Did you have to disconnect the ball
You
joint?
got to disconnect the ball joint, and
the
then
ball
you
joint there.
Yeah. And then you got to disconnect the axle nut, and then you pry it back. That's the
Axle
axle
nuts there.
Right
Okay.
there it is. Axle nut. Loose this
Okay.
one.
Now, does that take a cotter pin?
No. No.
Okay.
This one don't take cotter pin.
This really should be done by a professional because this could be dangerous if
Yes.
you don't do it right.
Yeah, you need a lift for sure. For the 04 Mercury.
How many hours do you think it takes to do this job?
Probably like say 4 hours.
4 hours, so it's not a joke.
Yeah, you gotta drop everything down.
Yeah.
And then
You got the...
I gotta take this bolt.
So that's it, Joe Beermaster. That's what's got to be done to put this alternator in. It's a little difficult.
It's very difficult.
Very difficult. Big Joe's Auto Sales, 215-499-9071 in Philadelphia.
Any special job, we can work on any car.
And you're very discounted prices too. Thanks, Joe. Joe Beermaster, please subscribe.